Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on the hip strip in Montego Bay, and we're going to go through an article that gives more information on the $1 billion renovation that the government has planned for this strip. Now, this road, the official name is a Jimmy Cliff Boulevard. It was originally Gloucester Avenue, but it was renamed Jimmy Cliff Boulevard in honor of the singer Jimmy Cliff. Now, this is the hip strip in Montego Bay. You have a lot of tourist stores, restaurants, casinos, anything to do with tourism you will find on this strip. And they have additional security along the strip. You have police officers and security officers that walk up and down and monitor what's happening on the strip. You also have a lot of hotels, and quite a few are under construction, and they have plans to build or renovate some more on this strip. So the government wants to renovate this strip and make it more, I guess, aesthetically pleasing. So they're going to put in like a boardwalk so people can walk along it, widen the road, the sidewalks, those kind of things. And they want to build a hip strip like this in Portmore on Port Henderson Road. That's the idea behind that development, for it to look like this. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on the plans. The government has budgeted $1.2 billion to undertake comprehensive upgrading of the popular Montego Bay hip strip located along Jimmy Cliff Boulevard, formerly Gloucester Avenue, in the resort city. Tourism Minister Honorable Edwin Bartlett says the sum includes $150 million earmarked to commence preliminary work on the project, which he notes will form part of the focus on reimagining and transforming the hip strip and by extension Montego Bay. The minister made the announcement while delivering a presentation in the House of Representatives under the theme Recover Faster, Stronger and Better. Mr. Bartlett said the proposed hip strip development includes physical improvements, new product development and substantial operations, heavy streetscaping and possible pedestrianizing of the area after rescoping of the transportation and road networks. Additionally, he said the work will include creating thematic facades and developing an entertainment park spanning the stretch from the Harmony Beach Park to the popular Dead End Beach on Kent Avenue. Mr. Bartlett advised that the programmed renovations will be complemented by the proposed construction of a 13-story mixed-use facility along the strip by a local developer that is intended to accommodate hotels, residences, and entertainment activities. He added that this development will push the value of investment in the area to approximately $8 billion. Meanwhile, the ministry will be partnering with the UDC to build out a promenade from the cruise terminal in the Montego Bay Freeport along the seafront, incorporating Catherine Hall, linking that with Harmony Beach Park and culminating at the hip strip. Alright guys, so that's the end of the update article. Let us know what you think of the existing hip strip and the plans that they have to renovate it. And it's some serious money because we're talking billions. Alright guys, let us know. Leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.